Urukungano rwa National Women Council rwakorera Hard Tomorrow mu rurembo rwa Mbarara rwaba rugenderero kusuzuma enkoresa ya sente zahirwa akakikwaka okurwa mu mwaka gw'2023 ko mu mwaka gw'2026 ekizuhwerera abakazi mu kutambuza enjiro mu byaro okwenda ngo abakazi bakayitaba mu program za government nka WEP, PDM hamwe n'emyoga. Farida Chibowa uri chairman w'akakiiko ka National Women Council yagira ngu esente ziri kubahebwa zibahwerire okikoma mukazi wa hansi.
Helping women leaders at the district level access their leaders at the sub-county level. And it has given us an opportunity as national leaders to engage these other leaders at the lower level to monitor the existing government programs. Government is putting a lot of money in different government programs that are of benefit to the women, like the Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program, the Emyoga, and PDM.
Yagira ngu ekizibu kibashangira mu kuganira n'abakazi abo mu ihanga lyona aho bakozire enkiiko nkezi no kushanga ngu akasente ko kutambuza abebembezi b'abakazi ni kake munonga.
And it has given us results because now we know areas for improvement. The challenge number one that we have seen is that there is limited funding, that these women cannot access or cannot reach out to the lower local council leaders like at the village and the parish level.
Chibowa yagira ngo kurugira hamirimo ya council egi hamwe na budget eri kubahebwa government tibiri kujwana je.
Women's Council came when we didn't have a budget. We managed to push for a budget, but the budget is still not enough. We need to push for more funds. And even other councils, because right now the mandate of the council is very big compared to the resources that we have.
Yasime cha government yo kwiha kujaguza emikoro y'ihanga nko gw'abakazi okugira ngo ugize ama district yicherezo mukazi wa burijo omugisha.
I think this is another challenge, but a challenge that is coming with an opportunity. We have been sending money for Women's Day at the district, 3 million, but it has not been enough. I would request that this time around we put more now emphasis on district Women's Day celebration to give an opportunity for other lower local women leaders.
Osborne Turyasingura urukura secretariat y'abakazi eminyeto hamwe n'abantu abino burema yagamba bimwe ebashangire omunchi kwezi.
Nke twashanga mwizobere twashanga ngo abamwe abacara abantu betombita ngo kwa district abarwa bine sente zo ngasha bategere ko kino ko basura ushanga batazi umwe sente zikererwa kwija ushanga umuntu azine gukora zakora bazija ubwire bwangize
yatugambire kibarakura seho bwa nyuma yo kwetorora ihanga lyona
zakushitama turebe bitekateko by'abantu byona rebakire then twere mu report turebe utwakwasa kureba sentence yake jetano twine government zabasa kuyamba umuntu wansi kandi zakora mu bushebekora.
Bamwe mu bebembezi batugambire bari kutekateka hankora esente ezuru kwija mu kanso egi.
These programs work monitoring ukaza okureba groups nezi tizikumara konka shara government and other funders twongeramu, but still we appreciate this opportunity because at least now it's not like enyuma kwezi twabire tufuna
zituyambira munonga no kucera munonga hako kutungura abacara bitu okuruga hasi abo abacara bakutunga sentezo ezangwe abacara basaka munonga kandi nabandi abacara nango bokushaka abacara tuyumugisha abo kuba abacara abo kugrominga hinja abacara bakiri bato abari mu yusi abo nabo bine % yabo yo kutora mu yusi.
Ripota neyoreka ngo National Women Council buri mwaka gw'esente parliament nebahereza sente ziri kurenga biliyoni emwe okureba ngo abakazi mu byanga bitari umwe na bimwe babangura kwetaba mu nkora za government ezo kwetungura. Adolphe Ayureka, Tayari West TV.
Kalungu district